Akiaria hindi ya kuheana uteithio wa irio kuri aria hatereriku tauni-ini ya Ruiru kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, Munini wa kaunti kamishina Geofrey Githinji ni oritie aciari kunyita itemi hari kuramata mithiire ya ciana ciao Riri thukuru itanyitwo gukahingurwo mwaka uukite.
Our curfew still is on, and the president's speech was very clear. We were told to keep our under 18s and over 58 at home. And our message to parents is that let us seriously maintain our children at home.
Oho Githinji ni akomithitie ciiko cia ciana thia ya miaka 18 na kuhirwo nda, guku akiuga aria marinyitikanaga matabanirie ciana ciiko ici ni maritacukagirio makinya mahiu ma kiwatho.
There is no reason as why they should be moving to the markets, shopping centers, supermarkets and those other places. The message was very clear. If you are not allowing them to go to the church, then there is no reason as to why we should move up and down with our children. Please, if you want to stay safe, stay at home.
Mwena-ini wao aciari ni matugirite Munini wa kaunti kamishina ni kumahe irio ihinda-ini riri iritu ria murimu wa COVID-19.
Tunafurahi sana kuja kutuita, tukuje hapa kwa mkubwa wetu tuate chakula ya kukula. Tunasema asante, Mungu amubariki na mfanye maundu mema, na ile kazi yanyu mnafanya Mungu aongeze ingine.
Ihinda-ini riu maugite ni makunyitite mi hari kumenyerera ciana ciao cia airitu niguo kugiriria ciiko cia kuhanda kuri airitu aria mari thi wa miaka 18. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV retore kwani wa boy wa Maina.